I'm at Data Centers Europe 2012 in Nice, and I'm with Stéphane Duproz, who's Managing Director for Telecity in France. Stéphane, can you talk to us a little bit about the cloud opportunity and whether that's a growing business opportunity for Telecity?
It obviously is. We Telecity Group in France and everywhere in Europe serve plenty of different sectors and actually insist on being able to serve different sectors so that in case one sector doesn't grow as fast as it grew the previous years, we're not affected strongly by that. But one of our main market drivers at the moment is obviously everything related to the cloud. Mm-hmm. We are particularly in France where there is a lot of software developers. Mm-hmm. We are helping an increasing number of software developers who before were only on a license model to now completely change the way they work into a cloud model where they become themselves hoster of their solution. So they didn't know how to do that. It's a new job for them. It's a new sector, so we are helping them a lot. They obviously need very secure data center, but above all, data centers which have a lot of connectivity. And that's really the positioning that we have. We are highly connected, hence our baseline, where content meets connectivity. Cloud providers have very important content, their application, and they need to be able to make it available to a lot of customers in their home country, but also in their continent and all over the world. And for that, you need a highly connected data center, which is exactly what Telecity provides.
From a physical infrastructure point of view, can you talk a little bit about Schneider Electric infrastructure and how that's helping you to scale capacity to meet that sort of demand?
Before the cloud, on standard way of working, the physical servers were only used at about 20 to 25% of their capacity.
Right.
The cloud and its virtualization part completely modified that, and now every physical server is actually used by dozens or sometimes more virtual servers, and as a consequence of that, the physical servers now consume 80 to 85% of their capacity. So the cloud makes a very big difference in power density. Each rack now consumes more, and your data center needs to be ready for that. And one of the ways that we have found to be ready for that, when it gets to racks that can use 25, 30 kilowatts, then you need special racks that are water-cooled. And for this, we have chosen Schneider Electric solutions. Actually, we are the first one in Paris to have a solution like that, where we provide very high density. And we actually have built together a business model where we would bill only per kilowatt without anything else, without setup fees, without any sort of billing. New software development company who decided to come on the cloud model. We have that special offer only in our data center in Paris, where we will bill only at kilowatt usage.
So literally pay as you go?
Literally, we use their model to build them, so it's smoother for them, easier and more scalable.
And this is the data center which won a Broad Group Award, is it not?
It is the data center in Paris called Concordet, our third data center in Paris, which won the Best European Colocation Facility Award a couple of years ago here, yes.
That's excellent. And how's the experience of working with Schneider Electric?
It's always been excellent. In addition to providing equipment, what we really like with Schneider is the relationship. We talk to each other very often. We actually give back, I assume, also very interesting input to Schneider as to operationally how it happens on a day-to-day basis. And Schneider uses that to provide us with innovative solutions on a regular basis. So it's more a partnership, a relationship than a vendor to buyer relationship.
Stéphane, thank you very much.
Thank you.